Hello everyone and welcome to my 7th C programming tutorial, and what we're gonna do today is for loops. Now, yesterday we did while loops and now we're gonna do for loops. It's a different form of loops. Now, for loops is actually quite similar to while loop, but the syntax is quite different and the structure is definitely more different. And like the while loop, all we need to do is type for. Now, basically, in the for loop, we have 3 parts inside these brackets we need to put inside. First part is we set x to 0, which we've done before, but you should do it in the for loop, which would be more easy to read. Now, of course, we can set this to 10 or 12 or 13, but normally we set it to 0. Alright? After we set it to 0, we compare it. It's the condition. So it's gonna say if x is smaller or equal to 10, alright? And then we do x plus plus, meaning we're gonna increment x by 1. Now, here you can determine and explain to yourself what's happening. First, here we're declaring we're assigning the variable. And then of course we have our condition, like our while loop. Our while loop used to have just the condition. Now there's a condition here. Then we have an incremental operator here, making x increment 1. So then, basically, it runs all this first, actually. Then, if it meets that condition, it'll run the thing inside these parentheses, inside the block of code, which we can do, for example, my name is Bob, and then we can do %d Bob X. Now, what will happen here? I'll first run this and show it to you guys. Yes. Alright, and wait for it. Now, it says my name is Bob. Yeah, it's very ugly. I'll make a new line and run it again. So without debugging, yes. Look at that. So, right. Hey guys, I'm really sorry. Something went off in my room and I need to go get that. So, for loop, basically, where was I? Right. Let's run it. Alright. So it basically says my name is Bob01234. It's basically almost exactly the same as our while loop. Now, instead, we do everything and show everything in these parentheses. We first do x equals 0, assign it, and then give our condition, then increment x by 1. And that is basically it for loops. It's actually quite simple. And I'll see you guys next time. Adios.